For exercise 7, we go in file part and we will start from the base plate. We go normal to the top plane and we draw a rectangle. What should be the size of this rectangle? 100 by 70. This measure defines the maximum width of this rectangle. It should be 100 by 70. So later on you will draw two lines and you will say the distance from this point up to this one, distance is given to you. How much? It is 50. So if it's 50, this distance would also be 50. So it's 50 by 50. Now you will draw a rectangle by center and corner command, and this time you will give dimension. How much it should be? 25. 40 is this one. From this point up to this one, this distance is 40. Am I right? So you can say this is 40. And also if you want to define this distance, how much it would be? This distance and this point, this edge of the rectangle, how much this distance would be? 40 minus 25, 15 divided by 2, 7.5. So it would be evenly distributed. 7.5. So these lines are now fully defined. One thing is left. Center of the rectangle and this edge would have distance, depth of cut. How much it should be? 30. Here it is given 30 units. Am I right? So this depth would be of 30 units. Now the rectangle is also fully defined. Trim the remaining entities that you don't need. Got it? Exit sketch. Choose sketch feature extrude command. How much thickness it should be? 20 units. This lower face, this lower slab would have thickness of 20 units. We'll choose it 20 units. Now you have the lower portion of this part. Now you need this rectangular protrusion on one side. Choose this face, go normal to it, sketch rectangle by 2 corner and start from this corner up to this edge. What would be the width of this rectangle? 20 units. Length is already defined, so you need only to make a protrusion. How much it should be? 40 total, 20 base already you have protruded, so remaining is 20 units. So accept it. You need 2 cutouts to complete this model. So from the upper face, go normal to it, sketch and draw a rectangle, this time by center and corner command. Choose the mid of this edge as center of the rectangle and say the width, it should be 40 and depth of cut from here up to this edge, it should be 10. So in this way you have completely defined your rectangle with respect to dimension and location as well. So choose a sketch, go in feature, extrude cut command and say through all. Am I right? So the next cutout is on the side wall. So to protrude this cutout, to extrude this cutout, you will choose this face. Go normal to this face and again draw a rectangle. Rectangle by center and corner command you can choose. Say dimensions. What should be the width of this cutout? 30. And what should be the depth? It should be 15 units. So completely define your rectangle with respect to location and dimension. Sketch, feature, extrude, cutout, you can say through all, accept it. So in this way you will complete your model, that is exercise number 7. You will save this exercise 7, and then you will make drawing from this part. You will choose your template and then you will drag your front view, side view, top view, isometric view. Later on you can adjust their positions. This is your top view, this one is your side view, and this is your isometric view. Turn on the isometric view into solid part. Save this file, get it print out and put it into your folder. So this was your exercise number 7.